Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a sleek, silver beauty, the HTC One A9. Specifically, the Boost Mobile Opal Silver variant. This phone arrived in pretty standard retail packaging, nothing too flashy, but it gets the job done. Inside, of course, we have the star of the show, the One A9 itself. First impressions? It feels surprisingly solid and well-built for a budget-friendly device. The Opal Silver finish is definitely eye-catching. It has a subtle shimmer that catches the light nicely. Now, this particular A9 is carrier-locked to Boost Mobile, something to keep in mind if you're thinking about switching carriers down the line. It's rocking a 5-inch display, which feels just right, not too big, not too small. Perfect for one-handed use. The screen is bright and vibrant, and navigating through the Android operating system is smooth and responsive. Speaking of the OS, while it doesn't specify which Android version it's running out of the box, it's worth checking for updates once you get it set up. One of the standout features for a phone in this price range is the fingerprint sensor. It's located on the front, just below the screen, and it's incredibly fast and accurate. Unlocking the phone is a breeze. No more fumbling with passwords or patterns. Security and convenience all in one. Let's talk about the camera. While I haven't had a chance to fully test it out yet, the initial impressions are promising. The camera app is easy to use and offers a decent amount of control. We'll definitely be doing a more in-depth camera test in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Under the hood, the HTC One A9 packs enough power for everyday tasks. Social media, web browsing, light gaming. It handles it all without a hitch. Don't expect flagship performance, but for the price, it's definitely respectable. And the 5-inch form factor makes it incredibly portable. It slips easily into your pocket or bag. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the Boost Mobile Lock. While it might be a deal breaker for some, it also makes the phone incredibly affordable up front. So, if you're already a Boost Mobile customer, or you're looking for a budget-friendly option and don't mind being tied to a specific carrier, then the One A9 might be worth considering. Overall, the HTC One A9 offers a surprising amount of value for the money. It's got a premium feel, a decent camera, a fast fingerprint sensor, and a manageable size. The Boost Mobile Lock might be a limiting factor for some, but if you can look past that, this phone is definitely worth checking out. It's a solid, reliable device that won't break the bank. What are your thoughts on the HTC One A9? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.